Welcome to Dream on Wheels. Today, we're taking a closer look at the Karmann Dexter 625, a campervan designed to balance usability, comfort, and smart space management, all within a layout that feels natural to live in. In this video, we'll explore everything, from its exterior design and interior layout to the kitchen, sleeping area, bathroom, and what it's actually like to travel in it. From the outside, the Dexter 625 presents a clean and functional design. It follows a classic panel van structure, which immediately makes it more approachable and easier to manage on the road. Its proportions strike a good balance, long enough to provide interior comfort, but still compact enough to remain practical in tighter spaces. The design is subtle and purposeful. It doesn't rely on bold styling. Instead, it focuses on practicality and durability. The sliding side door provides easy access to the living area, making entry and exit simple in everyday use. Large side windows allow natural light to flow inside, helping the interior feel brighter and more open. At the rear, the double doors open wide, giving direct access to the sleeping area and storage space. This makes loading gear, luggage, or travel essentials quick and efficient overall. The exterior is built for real-world use, simple, reliable, and easy to live with. Step inside, and the first thing you notice is how well the space is organized. Everything feels structured, intentional, and easy to navigate. At the front, the driver and passenger seats rotate to form a compact lounge area. This creates a small but functional space for sitting, relaxing, or dining. The table is positioned to be practical without getting in the way. It's a setup designed for everyday use. What stands out is the balance. Nothing feels overcrowded, and nothing feels underutilized. Large windows allow natural light to fill the interior during the day, enhancing the sense of openness in the evening. Interior lighting creates a warm and comfortable atmosphere. This is a living space designed to feel natural and usable, not overly complex. Moving into the kitchen, the focus is clearly on efficiency and practicality. The layout is compact, but everything is placed within easy reach. You get a cooking area with a stove and a sink, allowing you to prepare meals while traveling. The countertop provides just enough space for preparation. Designed to be used efficiently, storage is well integrated, with cabinets and drawers offering space for utensils, groceries, and daily essentials. Everything is arranged logically, making the kitchen easy to use without unnecessary movement. A refrigerator is included, allowing you to store fresh food and extend your travel time. This kitchen is built for real use, simple, functional, and dependable. At the rear, the sleeping area is designed to provide a comfortable and reliable place to rest. The bed offers enough space for 2 people, allowing you to sleep without constantly adjusting your position. The mattress is supportive, helping ensure proper rest after a long day of travel. What stands out is how efficiently the space is used. Storage is integrated around the bed, including overhead cabinets and underbed compartments. This allows you to keep your belongings organized without cluttering the living area. The rear doors can also be opened to bring in fresh air and natural light, enhancing the overall experience. This is a sleeping area designed for consistent comfort. The bathroom in the Dexter 625 is compact but thoughtfully designed. Inside, you'll find a toilet, sink, and a shower, all integrated into a small space. The layout is focused on usability. Everything is positioned within reach, making daily routines simple and efficient. While the space is not large, it provides everything needed for practical use. Storage compartments help keep toiletries organized and accessible. Having a private bathroom on board adds a strong level of convenience. It allows you to travel more freely without depending on external facilities. Moving into the cockpit, the focus shifts to comfort and ease of driving. The driver and passenger seats are well padded and supportive, making longer journeys more comfortable. The dashboard is clean and intuitive, with controls placed within easy reach in front of the driver. The instrument cluster is clear and easy to read. A central infotainment system provides access to navigation, media, and connectivity features. Large front windows offer good visibility, helping maintain confidence while driving. Once parked, the seats rotate to become part of the living space, adding flexibility. What makes the Dexter 625 stand out is how naturally it fits into real travel situations. It doesn't try to overwhelm you with features. Instead, it focuses on creating a space that feels easy to use and comfortable to live in. You have everything you need without unnecessary complexity. This makes the overall experience feel smooth and manageable. Whether it's a short weekend trip or a longer journey, the Campervan adapts easily to your needs. The Karmann Mobile Dexter 625 delivers a well-balanced campervan experience, combining smart design, practical features, and a layout that feels natural to use. If you found this tour helpful, consider subscribing to Dream on Wheels for more campervan and motorhome content. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.